I did not wanted to do a job. Me and my sister.
Okay.
We were always into these, making of scrapbooks and handmade albums, cards, and all. So my Jiju suggested, why not just open a page? And that time Instagram was not a thing. Like right now, it's all over trending. Reels now, just sell your stuff.
Everybody is selling
Exactly.
through Instagram.
That time even reels were not in trend.
So initially, how did you get orders? Because Instagram was not very much active
It
at
was
that time.
not.
Hello everyone, my name is Himan Kulshrestha and welcome to the first episode of Zero to Something, the podcast where we talk to people who have started with a scratch and built something amazing. Today we are having a very special guest, Sunanda Jain, who runs a special handmade gifting company called HMG 2016. If you have ever thought of starting your own business or are just curious about gifting, then this episode is meant for you. In this podcast, we'll talk about what primarily challenges you can face in a gifting company, how much you can earn while being an entrepreneur in this industry, and the basic challenges, the basic roadblocks that you can face throughout your journey. And the third part, and the very important one, what it takes to turn an idea into reality. Stay with us till the end. All right. Hi Sunanda.
Hello.
Welcome to the podcast.
Yes, thank you so much.
The podcast name is Zero to Something. We are interviewing people who have done something from the scratch and who are doing really good for themselves in life. So, here we are. This is our first interview, and can we start with a quick, or maybe not quick? Can we start with a brief introduction of yours? How you started? How did you get into gifting? And why did you choose gifting in the first place?
Okay. So you want me to go back?
Yeah,
right?
back
Okay.
when exactly?
Time space. Yeah, got
time
it.
space.
So basically, I completed my graduation in 2014, and for 1.5 years, I was not actually doing anything. The only reason was I did not wanted to do a job. Okay. So then during August, my Jiju and my Di and we were all sitting literally in one room, and we were just discussing what to do now. We have to do something, right? Obviously. So we were always very creative, me and my sister.
Okay.
We were always into these, making of scrapbooks and handmade albums, cards and all. So my Jiju suggested, why not just open a page? And very randomly he suggested, very quickly we decided to open Instagram, and we, made a page. Yeah.
Okay.
And why Handmade Gallery? Because obviously handmade tha, and then to 2016 we started, so we just randomly named it.
Okay.
So till now the name is that only.
Oh.
So that's how it started.
Okay.
Just because of our creativity, Jiju had that in mind, we can do this, and that's why we started.
Okay,
So,
okay. So you started back this in 2016.
16, yeah.
And it has been 9 years already.
9 years
Oh,
already.
wow.
Yes.
And you are totally into handmade gifting, or you are I would like you to explain the variety, the different verticals of your business.
So when we started the page, what happened is we were not having the many products to show on Instagram, right? And that time Instagram was not a thing. Like right now, it's all over trending. Reels now, just sell your stuff.
Everybody is selling
Exactly.
through Instagram.
That time even reels were not in trend.
Yeah.
So we just need
Reels
to
were not even invented
exactly.
at that time.
We were just making random
TikTok
videos.
was there.
Yeah, exactly. TikTok was there. So we used to post, and we used to resell actually.
Okay.
We used to take the stuff, then we used to go for printing, take the towel, go for printing, and then get the printing done.
Okay.
Vaisa wala reselling we used to do. And then gradually we started, August we started, and we got a chance to do something during Diwali actually.
Okay.
So during Diwali, it was like, it's tried, why not make a handmade bandarwal, handmade diyas and everything. That's how we started selling.
Scented candles.
Yeah, scented candles during Diwali. And then Valentine's came coming year, February, mein Valentine's came. And then that was actually a very different experience for us, because we got to make many cheesy cards and scrapbooks for, girlfriend,
those
boyfriend.
heart-shaped pillows.
Exactly, yeah. So we used to make many things, and वही हम लोग का specialization था उस time.
Okay.
My handmade albums were actually like hot selling that time.
Oh.
People used to love, because see, there are a lot of photos, सबके पास काफ़ी चीज़ होती है, but there is nothing to actually like a keepsake बनाने के लिए, memory sort of एक हो जाए उनके लिए, वो ऐसा हो नहीं पाता. And digital is something, चलो digital चल रहा है वो. People don't even take it out and see also, right? But when you make handmade, तो it's like it gives a personal touch also. Each and every page, it has some quotations, which is actually given by the parent only for their kids. So we used to make kids scrapbook. We used to make scrapbook for anniversaries and all kinds of occasions.
Okay, okay.
So that's how.
I remember when we used to be there taking scrapbooks and pasting pictures on it. That was a very
Exactly.
traditional way
Exactly.
of like
Putting up
making
together,
these kind of
हाँ,
scrapbooks
exactly.
and like collecting memories.
Right.
But yeah, you have, I think, redefined the entire thing maybe by making digitally. I think you also do
I do
digital
digital also,
scrapbooks
yes.
and then
Right
you
now I
do
do
handmade
digital also,
stuff
yes.
and all of that.
I have all kinds of options. So basically, it depends on the clients.
Okay.
Whatever the options they come from, you know, they have their own budget. They have their own, you know, thoughts. कि नहीं handmade वो ठीक से रख नहीं पाएंगे. They
Right.
can't be, you know, preserve it nicely.
Right.
Digital के लिए they go for. So I have all kinds of options.
Okay.
For scrapbooks and
Okay.
albums, yeah. And then gradually during festivals, we started, you know, making hampers. We started actually making for the family, and then you know when the family likes it, आप आगे आगे जाओगे and then you get orders also.
Right,
Once you
right,
start posting something on Instagram or social media, then you get response.
Yeah, yeah. But
So-
at that time, Instagram was not there. So
WhatsApp used to work, and you know, that's what I'm saying. You connections.
Okay.
My most of my orders were actually from Guwahati. Trust me,
Oh.
more than Delhi, I used to sell in Guwahati.
okay.
My
so
sister got
connections
married
is-
over there. So basically, just because of my Jiju's connection, we used to get more orders over there. So
Oh,
that's how it's got
lovely.
spread, you know, like whoever used to come and visit him used to say, you know, my Sally is doing this, why not promote her, you know.
Okay. So, your Jizu play like a
yes,
really very
he
important
plays
role.
a very important role in this.
So
thing.
initially, if I ask, initially how did you get orders? Because Instagram was not very much active
it
at
was
that
not.
time. So how you used to
Himan,
get
I
orders?
remember first order we got of this personalized towel only, and we earned around 500 or something like that.
Okay.
500 per towel.
Okay.
So we got an order of 4 towels, I guess. 2,000 income was 1 month. Mein.
Oh.
So that 2,000 was actually like, oh God, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
What,
But
how
that's
nice
very
was that?
motivating when you
Seriously,
get your
it's
first
actually
order.
very motivating because we got an order. Like posting के बाद ही 2-3 days के बाद ही we got an order. So that
Okay.
was something very exciting for us कि हाँ ठीक है हो सकता है इसमें there is some scope.
Right, right.
So see, consistency is very important. Even though Instagram was not that trending, but still we used to post daily. Daily.
Okay. On Facebook.
Yes, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, everywhere.
Oh.
You know, we used to spread our images. कुछ भी बनाते थे, एक छोटा सा कैंडल बना दिया, उसका एक वीडियो बना दिया, and we used to give that. So काफी उससे
So
होता है.
initially,
And
all your clients that you used to get were from Facebook and Instagram.
Facebook and Instagram, yeah.
Okay.
वो that's what I'm saying. गुवाहाटी से स्प्रेड होते होते गुवाहाटी के कनेक्ट्स दिल्ली के जो है फिर वो कनेक्ट करने लग गए. गुवाहाटी में one of the female, she got married in Delhi.
Okay.
She shifted her thing, you know. She was like, I'll order only from you. And till now, she's one of our prime client.
Wow.
So that's how the connection was actually made.
Okay.
So Delhi se zyada, that's what I told you. I have connections in Guwahati, Kolkata,
Oh.
those areas.
Okay, so
Yeah.
majorly your clients are from Guwahati,
Yeah.
Delhi, and
Haan,
Kolkata.
haan.
These
Now
are
it's
the
everywhere. It's everywhere. I have clients from Telangana also.
Oh.
South side, I have many clients who actually purchase a lot of stuffs during Diwali, Rakhi especially. They find
How-
it very interesting. All
How
these
do you
things.
take care of logistics part? Because when you are
So-
shipping something from here to Kolkata to Telangana, usually because the gifting item are fragile.
exactly.
So how do you take care
So
of that?
how I started actually, used to see कि कहाँ I can travel and you know just see the connections. So DTTC, Sky King, ये सारे जो brands हैं,
Right.
उससे I used to connect. कि if I send my hampers, I used to pack my hampers on my own
Okay.
from like you know beginning में, because तब तक उनको पता नहीं है ना कि what kind of stuff is there actually, and जब तक खुद secure नहीं हो कि how the stuff is being packed, you can't
Yeah,
send it.
yeah, yeah.
So
वो तो-
I used to bubble wrap it, place thermocols all over the box, and then used to send. I used
Okay.
to send the like direct courier parcel only to them.
Okay.
They don't have to do anything; just have to you know make the bill and then send it.
Right, right,
That's
right.
it. Right now they are actually very you know got used to it, so they know how to pack the stuffs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But have you faced
I've-
this incident ever when you have shipped something to a different city and the item got damaged or something in
Yes,
transit?
it did. Actually, south side में हुआ. I am a specialist in making 3D albums. You must have
Oh,
seen
yeah,
on my
yeah,
page.
yeah, yeah. I've
So
seen
one of my order actually got dispatched in south side, Telangana only.
Okay.
And there only actually it got damaged. As soon as she opened the parcel and it was like, you know, there was a crack in the frame. So my policy is if you actually deliver the video within 24 hours, so I'll definitely do something with that. And I actually made the whole frame again and send it to her again.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, without any further cost.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because
So
people,
it's our responsibility.
this is the trust that we are gaining. If
Exactly.
we are delivering the product once again, that too, like on a very short span
Yes.
of time, then definitely the client the loyalty is going to be
Of
there
course,
with
हाँ.
us.
And my motto is if they are ordering something very personalized, so they have some emotions attached to
True,
it, right?
true.
During that occasion only, if something breaks, and she's actually sharing the video also. Some of them they don't share it,
Okay.
so that becomes little, optional for us ki what to do next. But then who's sending it? Obviously, we'll do something with it.
Yeah, because it's happening like on e-commerce a lot of times when we are delivering something and people are getting the good product, but still they are complaining about it that
Exactly.
the product is damaged
Exactly,
or
yeah.
something.
Because they actually throw the parcels like anything,
Yeah,
Even if you put lots of fragile stickers, they'll literally throw the parcel. But then, yeah.
So it happened
all
actually
depends on how
once.
you pack.
We posted our products on an e-commerce platform. We listed the entire. So there were approximately like 60-70 products that we listed over there. They were all gift items, and we shipped it to I think Hyderabad, and that parcel was returned by the customer because it was damaged or something. And when it was returned to us, it was a shoe box with some used shoes in it.
Okay.
So this is how like a lot of times people do respond to.
Exactly. It happens.
But yeah,
no?
it happens.
Exactly.
So what else? Like, how's it going?
It's going on good. Faced many challenges as well. Starting May. Still
Yeah.
facing actually, but then yeah, there are a lot of, when you start a page like that, and उस time Instagram was not in trend as you
Yeah.
will say. तो and Instagram से ज़्यादा this thing was not acceptable actually to कि घर से कोई काम कर रहा है.
Right.
You know, and female especially. And I've heard so many things like, इससे क्या होगा? What will you do? Just, cutting papers and using scissors, what will you do? Because I literally used to sit in my room and used to, I was surrounded with chart papers and
Right.
scissors. I used to get such comments from others, what will happen? इससे क्या ही हो जाएगा?
Yeah.
What will you do? So वो चीज़ को overcome करना and not think about those things and just go on. I used to put on music and just, carry on with my stuff.
Yeah, people do think that it's not a full-time job,
It's
and
not
what
a
are you
full-time
going
job.
to do? And
If you're
people
not going
do
to
discourage.
office, they think that it's not a full-time job. Right now,
Yeah.
business is something like everyone wants to,
Get into.
jump into
Yeah.
from job to business.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
उस time नहीं था actually.
Right.
2016 का बात है, so it was like very and Instagram पे posting. Even when I used to be busy on phone, तो they used to think कि क्या, what are you doing? Exactly, people won't get it ना उस time पे तो. And right now, you make reels, you dance, you
Yeah,
do
yeah,
whatever.
yeah, yeah.
People are okay, हाँ, because they know that's in trend right now.
So the next question basically, अगर आप गिफ्टिंग नहीं कर रहे होते तो आप क्या कर रहे होते?
मैं गिफ्टिंग नहीं कर रही होती
If
तो
you wouldn't have been into the gifting business, then what exactly would have you been
I
doing?
actually can't think of that because I make gifts, I paint, I am an artist, I do very creative stuff. मतलब ऐसा लगता है I can't actually think of. But yeah, let me share you one thing very interesting. Starting, I used to actually boost off with this thing. Everyone used to say in my family कि you will actually wear a blazer and a coat and all, and I can see you working in an office. Thank God, I'm not doing that.
Okay, okay,
But yeah, I actually can't think of anything other than what I'm doing right now.
okay, nothing other than that.
एकदम भी नहीं.
As we were talking about how a young entrepreneur should start a gifting business, so can you just suggest some roadblocks that the person would face in the initial stage of business? Let's suppose मुझे अभी अगर business start करना है और मैंने identify किया कि मैं क्या क्या बना सकता हूँ. I prepared a catalog. I prepared those gifts. Let's suppose 10-15 gifts मैंने बनाए. मैंने जाके pitch किया market में as you suggested. I put up stalls and all of that. So what kind of challenges can I actually face
While you make the gifts, right?
while I
मतलब-
prepare the gifts, while I try to pitching out, while I try to see where I can book
Procure.
a stall or maybe
Okay.
because booking a stall is also expensive these days. मैं कहीं भी
Exactly,
जाके अगर
हाँ.
दिवाली फेयर में भी लगाता हूँ, initially being a 20-year-old, I might not be having that budget
Right.
where I can spend 15,000 rupees on booking a
Exactly,
stall. So
and booking starts from actually 15 to 20, तो
yeah,
minimum.
yeah, depends upon like society to
The,
society.
हाँ,
हम
place
किसी
also,
कॉलेज में कर रहे
exactly.
हैं तो वो कम हो सकता है.
That's why I mentioned stalls because the pop-ups and वो जो colleges में वो लगेंगे ना, that will be feasible for the starting phase.
Yeah.
So that's why I mentioned that.
अपने कॉलेज में तो किया जा सकता है.
हाँ.
But like what else you can suggest?
See, सबसे पहला is कि how you gonna start also. Like
Yeah.
what are you making it? What are you making? आप कहाँ से अपना वो raw materials लेके आ रहे हो? That also is a major factor because that's how the whole thing will start और आपका जो margin आप रखोगे and everything will be accordingly.
Yeah, the whole cycle starts with raw material.
So सबसे first is the procurement of the stuff, no?
Right.
तो वो आप मेनली कोशिश करना कि आप एकदम हब से ही लेके आ रहे हो.
Okay.
आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली राइट नाउ. आई स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस इन दिल्ली, बट देन मेरे रॉ मटेरियल्स मेनली मुंबई से आते हैं.
Oh.
बिकॉज मुंबई इज एक्चुअली द मेन हब.
Okay.
Right?
For stationery.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली, फॉर हैम्पर्स, बेसिस एंड एवरीथिंग.
Okay.
मुंबई इज द मेन हब. मुंबई के ही आप दिल्ली में चाहे कितना ही कर लो, इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम यू नो लाइक लेबर ऑल्सो ना, जो बना रहे हैं प्रॉपर बेस, वो उनका कॉस्टिंग फिर भी डिफरेंस होगा मुंबई वाले से. यस.
Okay. And what kind of raw material are we talking about here?
द बास्केट्स, ट्रेज, वुडन बास्केट्स, ट्रेज जो भी हो गए, पेपर बॉक्सेस, एवरीथिंग इज एक्चुअली एट अ मच चीपर प्राइस इन मुंबई. एंड देयर आर सम लोकेलिटीज ऑल्सो मुंबई में जो बहुत फेमस है. दे आर स्पेशलिस्ट इन दिस ओनली.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And where can we find these raw material providers? अब जैसे मैं अगर दिल्ली में हूँ, मुझे मुंबई से अगर प्रोक्योर करना है तो should I look it online or on Instagram
Yes,
or on
हाँ.
India Mart?
See, अब अभी आप स्टार्ट करोगे तो आप तो इंस्टाग्राम में जस्ट पुट अ सर्च वर्ड कि यू नो मुंबई दीज मैन्युफैक्चरर्स ऑफ दीज यू नो MDF ट्रेज एंड ऑल, आपको हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. So you can obviously pick
And
up
according to you, they are going to be cheaper than what I will find in
हाँ,
Delhi.
What you will find in Delhi, yes, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not talking about any other stuffs, flowers वगैरह नहीं, जो उसके decorations में काम आते हैं, but the base. And the base is important.
Right.
People
right,
actually prefer कि 500 रुपए का suppose hamper है. Suppose if you go to that, आप उसमें एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे एटलीस्ट वो 250-300 का तो स्टफ रख रहे हैं ना. सो आप 50 रुपए भी मार्जिन आपका स्कोप तब आएगा जब आप बेस एकदम 40-50 का रखोगे. एंड देन लॉजिस्टिक्स आर ऑल्सो देयर. सो आपको सब चीज़ बहुत स्मार्टली यू नो प्ले करना पड़ेगा. बेस में फिर कम स्पेंड करो.
And what kind of margins can we expect?
Margins in the
इसमें-
hampers if you're talking
Yeah,
of.
in the hampers. Let's say I got a crate from Mumbai. I got boxes and crates from Mumbai. And now I am preparing, let's say 15-20 hampers.
Right.
मैंने 20 hampers बनाए, मैं मुंबई से crates लेके आया. So what kind of margin can I earn in this? At what price can I sell this to? And like
ओके. मार्जिन एकदम लो रखना चाहिए स्टार्टिंग में, बिकॉज यू नीड ऑर्डर्स, यू नीड क्लाइंट्स. आप उनका यू नो यू बिकम लॉयल टू दैट थिंग, एटलीस्ट तभी वो अपने स्टिक रहेंगे, स्टक रहेंगे. सो द थिंग इज एक चीज़ है, सपोज आपको 500 रुपीज़ का एक हैम्पर आ रहा है ना, हैम्पर का ऑर्डर आ रहा है, पुट कीप अ मार्जिन ऑफ 50 रुपीज़. दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड, 40 to 50 रुपीज़, नॉट मोर देन दैट. फिर उसके बाद ना आप सब एक्सक्लूड वो कर दो कि आप इसमें स्टफ्स भी लेके आ रहे हो, इसमें लॉजिस्टिक्स भी ऐड कर दो, एंड देन या यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. Keep a margin of 50 rupees for per hamper if you're getting a good order. And by good I mean starting में 10 से 15 से starting. उसके नीचे आप चलो थोड़ा सा और मार्जिन रख सकते हो, ऐसा बात नहीं है.
और स्टार्टिंग में लेट्स से अगर मेरे पास एक ही हैम्पर की बुकिंग है,
हाँ.
बिकॉज इट कुड नॉट बी B2B इन द
B2C
बिगनिंग,
concept, yeah.
इट माइट बी B2C. मुझे किसी के बर्थडे के लिए एक हैम्पर बनाना है,
हाँ.
तो उस केस में हो सकता है मुंबई से वो क्रेट ना भी लूँ, मैं वो बॉक्स
वो आप दिल्ली से ले लो.
वो मैं
हाँ,
दिल्ली से
ठीक
ले
है,
लूँ.
yes.
मैंने लेट्स सपोज 200 रुपीज़ की मैंने क्रेट ली, दैट वुडन ट्रे
Wooden
I
basket.
bought, and then I got some candles, I got some eatables, some packed popcorns and things like that. वो उसमें मैंने उसको डाला, and the costing is somewhere around let's say 500 या 550 वो चली गई. So at what price should I be selling it?
500 you are saying for the stuffs.
500,
Suppose,
550 for the stuffs and
ठीक है.
200 for the basket.
500, 750 हुआ.
Yes.
एंड देन लॉजिस्टिक्स भी ऐड करो इसमें आप.
हाँ.
आप 100 रुपये ऐड कर लो, सारा पैकेजिंग वगैरह मिला के 850 हुआ. ठीक है. जब 850 का आप कुछ सामान दे रहे हो तो कीप अ मार्जिन ऑफ 200.
Okay,
That's it.
approximately.
That's it.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, 20%.
Yeah. Even if it's one hamper also.
Okay, okay, even if it's one.
Yeah.
अच्छा, और अगर ये सेम चीज़ मुझे 15-20 हैम्पर्स के साथ करनी हो, then probably margin should be less.
150.
150.
Keep it 150.
Okay, okay,
और बल्क हो गया 50 से प्लस हो गया, keep 100.
okay.
Just keep on decreasing it.
Right, right, right.
Larger the quantity आप फिर अपना मार्जिन कम करिए of course, तभी ऑर्डर्स मिलेंगे.
Exactly. Only then the demand supply will
Exactly,
get balanced.
Yes. Because as I told you, ये हैम्पर्स के गिफ्टिंग में जैसे आई एम अ स्पेशलिस्ट इन मैनी थिंग्स विच आई टेल यू लेटर ऑन, बट देन द थिंग इज हैम्पर्स का जब बात आता है ना, तो हैम्पर्स तो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉपीड होते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा है कि सब जन बना सकते हैं. बिकॉज गेटिंग द स्टफ एंड पुटिंग इट इज नॉट अ बिग डील.
Yeah, if you go on Instagram or Pinterest, you will see a lot of similar looking
options, yeah,
hampers.
definitely.
On Raksha Bandhan, on Diwali, like majorly all the hampers are looking the same.
Exactly.
So what different do you actually do in this?
So yeah, hampers में what I do is I do lesser procurement from other sources. मैं उसमें अपने ही स्टफ्स डालने का कोशिश करती हूँ. ज़्यादा सो इट्स बी इट होम डेकोर का कुछ हो गया, रेजन आर्टिकल हो गया, कुछ भी एक रेजन मंत्र फ्रेम डाल दिया, की चेन हो गया, आई कैन मेक एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ रेजन, बी इट अ क्लॉक, बी इट अ स्मॉल की चेन, बुक मार्क, डायरीज, एनीथिंग. सो दोज थिंग्स आई विल इंक्लूड. मैं अपने ही स्टफ इंक्लूड करूँगी ना, फिर वाई विल आई इंक्लूड द रेडीमेड स्टफ, राइट? और रेडीमेड स्टफ फिर वो बहुत वो हो जाता है क्लीशे, बोरिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ. तो मैं फिर इसमें कुछ क्रिएटिविटी करना चाहती हूँ, क्रिएटिव सा डालना चाहती हूँ. इवन इफ इट्स कैंडल, आई एम मेकिंग कैंडल्स माई सेल्फ, सो आई पुट दैट. एंड या सो कैंडल्स हो गए आप. और हैम्पर्स का एक कॉन्सेप्ट है, ऑलवेज पुट अ मिक्स ऑफ स्टफ्स. It should be eatable, something like a keepsake or a memento, and then something which is usable also. 3 चीज़ का मिक्स रखो आप हमेशा. मेरा हैम्पर का यही कॉन्सेप्ट है.
ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सब कुछ ईटेबल हो.
सब चीज़ ईटेबल हो. सामने वाला ऐसा क्वेरीज के साथ आता भी है ना कि आई वांट ओनली ईटेबल हैम्पर्स. आई एक्चुअली सजेस्ट कि नो मैम, गो फॉर समथिंग एल्स, क्योंकि मोमेंटो एक रहना चाहिए ना. आफ्टर एवरीथिंग इज डन एंड डस्टेड, वो कुछ तो एक रहेगा.
You just have that tray.
Exactly. और वो ट्रे इज द वन जो घर पे रहता ना, तो बोलते हैं अरे इसका क्या करें. राइट. उसमें भी फिर गिव समथिंग यूजफुल. Right now, eco-friendly baskets are everything are so much in trend. They're actually good in range also. MDF से ज़्यादा वही चल रहे हैं. Eco-friendly baskets हो गए आपके.
What is the difference between them and MDF baskets?
मतलब price difference तो है ही, and then usage. आप उसको एक organizer की तरह कर सकते हो. एक MDF tray को आप organizer नहीं बना सकते घर पे. तो when a basket is like given ना, वहाँ पे घर पे जब पहुँचता है किसी के, तो they can use it. किचन में रख लेते हैं, उसमें कुछ स्टफ रख लेंगे, ट्रे नहीं यूज करेंगे.
Right.
Try to pitch in something different to the client, so they'll stick to it.
Only then it's going to be something unique.
Exactly.
These days people are using those seed-based products as well.
Exactly.
Those papers, those pens.
Why do people are selling that paper wala thing na? Eco-friendly products, right?
Right.
So because obviously वो कुछ ना कुछ value add करता है वो चीज़ में. They are little like on a higher side, just because for a reason कि हाँ उसके बाद आपको कुछ एक result मिलेगा.
हाँ, उसके बाद you'll see that growing in your maybe on your desk. If I want to start my own gifting business, and I want to choose what side of gift should I be starting with. So क्योंकि गिफ्टिंग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. मैं स्क्रैप बुक भी बना सकता हूँ, मैं हैम्पर भी बना सकता हूँ. I can also make candles. I can also make those plush toys.
Right.
So what exactly should I be doing? या फिर क्या-क्या और हो सकता है? If you can just.
So ये चीज़ धीरे धीरे आएगा. Once you start making hampers, तो आप देख रहे हो कि hampers में क्या-क्या stuffs डल रहे हैं, right? So creativity उसी हिसाब से आएगी. आपको लग रहा है कि अच्छा आप कैंडल डाल रहे हो, आप बाहर से कैंडल लेके आ रहे हो और आप डाल दिए हैम्पर में, तो rather than you start making that, आप उसका प्रोक्योर करोगे, मटेरियल सब चीज़ बनाओगे, तो आप धीरे धीरे करके ना एक एक वही मटेरियल बनाने लग जाओगे. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि कैंडल हो गए, देन यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग कार्ड्स. आप उसमें कार्ड्स भी तो रखते ही है ना. वैलेंटाइन का हैम्पर हो गया सपोज, देन यू आर पुटिंग अप कार्ड ऑल्सो, यू आर मेकिंग अ स्क्रैप बुक, यू आर मेकिंग अ पॉपअप बॉक्सेस. यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग दोज एक्चुअली फर्स्ट. तो आपके क्रिएटिविटी लाइन्स बाहर आएंगे कि आप कितने क्रिएटिव हो. आप अगर पेपर क्राफ्ट मटेरियल्स अच्छे से बना लिए हैं, क्राफ्ट के स्टफ्स, then you will be actually considered कि हाँ patient हो, because that requires the most of the patience.
Okay.
Handmade stuffs, paper से जो बने हुए.
Initially.
So
yeah, please.
So basically then comes आप ये बना लिए, and then you enter into crochet business, enter into anything, but then फिर उसमें से एक पिक करिए कि आप उसमें आप स्पेशलिस्ट हो रहे हो, कि you know everything about candles. वैक्स कैंडल, जेल कैंडल्स, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ उसमें वुडन में रखने का. ऐसा नहीं कि आप एक स्टेज कंप्लीट किए, यू जम्प्ड ऑन टू अनदर वन. देन यू विल बी लाइक अ जैक ऑफ all trades and master of none.
Yeah. So if we talk about your particular business, then you are specialized in hampers. Part.
No, not hampers actually. I am a specialist in 3D frames.
Oh.
Yeah. During the entire journey, I have found कि उसका जो craze है ना, nothing beats that.
What is?
3D frame is basically, suppose it's your birthday and your partner comes up with a request कि I want to gift Himan a frame sort of a thing. I have a lot of pictures. Okay. तो मैं एक 3D miniature frame बनाऊंगी, which is like उसमें आपका सारा स्टफ, आपके लाइफ के बारे में जो भी स्टफ्स होंगे ना छोटे छोटे, उसको मैं मिनिएचर फॉर्म में डाल के डिपिक्ट करूंगी. सो आई कॉल दैट फ्रेम अ लाइफ इन अ बॉक्स.
Okay.
So that concept is very good because once you see the frame, you'll be like, अच्छा okay, you like विराट कोहली, तो विराट कोहली का एक पिक्चर है. You'll say कि I like कभी खुशी कभी गम, तो उसमें एक टीवी बना हुआ रहेगा, उसमें कभी खुशी गम रहेगा, उसका एक स्क्रीन रहेगा. So those things are really good.
I'd like to get this one made.
Yes.
For myself.
Sure. Maybe. And another thing is, one of my client, she actually has ordered this frame for an entire family member, for her daughter, husband, अपनी इन-लॉज के लिए दोनों, फादर मदर एंड अपने मम्मी पापा के लिए भी।
And this has to be personalized for
पर्सनलाइज्ड, हाँ,
every
ऑफ कोर्स,
individual.
यस, हाँ। गिफ्ट टू अ कपल आल्सो, गिफ्ट कपल का पिक्चर लगा लो, उनके हिसाब से कुछ बना लो।
Right.
सो इट्स बेसिकली देयर लाइफ इन अ फ्रेम।
Oh, wow. Do you ever face any challenge when we are preparing a personalized gift versus doing generic gifts? Because if it is a generic gift, it can be sold in bulk. But if it is a personalized one, there is going to be only one buyer for it.
हाँ, नहीं, ऑनेस्टली पर्सनलाइज्ड गिफ्ट्स आर एक्चुअली बूमिंग सो मच कि उसमें भी बल्क ऑर्डर्स आते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है।
Okay.
यस, मतलब रेजन आर्टिकल एज यू आई हैव मेंशन, उसमें अगर कोस्टर्स के आई हैव लाइक मेड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ कोस्टर्स फॉर कॉर्पोरेट ओनली, तो वो पर्सनलाइज है बिकॉज दे आर लाइकिंग इट। आई गो टू अ लॉयर एंड आई मीट देम एंड उनको पता ही नहीं है कि रेजन भी एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है, उनके लिए एकदम डिफरेंट है। तो यूजुअल कोस्टर उनके डेस्क में रखा हुआ है, बट देन व्हेन शी सॉ रेजन शी वाज लाइक ओ नाइस, दिस इज गुड।
But are we making these 1,000 products in 1,000 different, like different codes or maybe different texts or different pictures? Are we using that?
Yeah, we are doing that also. You can personalize it with your name. You can actually give your logo. सब में same logo भी आ सकता है, सब में different names भी आ सकता है, everything. So Raisin में भी there's a process. If you want to become a Raisin artist, the basically is the thing is that अगर आप Raisin तो एक वो हो गया कि आप bottle खरीदो, branded जो भी हैं, and then these stickers which are all metal stickers. तो ये स्टिकर्स बनते हैं, लोगो बन जाएंगे, उसमें नेम्स आ जाएंगे, सब कुछ हो सकता है।
ठीक है।
सो इसके भी वही है कि यू गो टू अ फैक्ट्री जहाँ पे ये मेटल स्टिकर्स बनते हैं ना, आप उनके पास ही जाओ, दे विल गिव यू द बेस्ट प्राइस।
Okay.
You just search on Instagram, go. I was actually, my savior was Just Dial and this India Mart. India Mart was a savior in this.
Oh.
Once I searched, just I was writing metal stickers, मेरे पास 100 of vendors आ गए थे, तो उसमें से एक में क्लिक हुआ and he gives the best of the rates for this. Like one A4 sheet can cost you 500 rupees and उस A4 में आपके कितने, I guess 20 to 40 names आ सकते हैं आराम से, names if you talk about just names.
Okay. Okay. And if we want to scale this up and we want to make this online, then would I be able to list this somewhere? Maybe.
Yes, put on Instagram, put on Facebook, and then start putting up ads actually.
Okay. But let's suppose I want to list this on my own website. I have a gifting company, let's suppose, and I am listing personalized resin coasters on my website. But if someone wants to place an order of 500 coasters, how is that going to be personalized and how is that possible from the website?
Because see, your website should have an option, no? कि for bulk orders you have to actually connect through a call. सबसे पहले तो एक ऑप्शन होना ही चाहिए, and when personalization comes, उसमें भी queries होनी चाहिए ना कि quotation आएगा, कि names आएगा, कि logo आएगा. Three options are there.
Okay.
So once you get a bulk order का query, it has to be connected to a call and then just get the deal done.
It cannot be simply
It
checked out from the
exactly,
website.
हाँ. That is only for 10 to 20 pieces के लिए होता है generally. हाँ. Bulk orders के लिए हमेशा have a good connection with the client directly.
And often the other party is also expecting a discount if it is a bulk order. So that can also
Obviously,
be done.
One coaster if you're selling for 250 rupees, so you can't sell that same for 500 pieces, na? So,
makes
and
sense.
as I told you, starting में you have to be very humble with the prices. Even we were पूरा फुल अगस्त से लेकर जो स्टार्टिंग वाला ईयर था उसमें ऐसा था कि ऑर्डर्स आते ही नहीं थे, बट देन स्टिल वी वर हम्बल, और जो ऑर्डर्स आते थे उसमें मार्जिन बहुत लो रखते थे.
So initially we also used to do a similar thing at Just For You. When we started, we used to get bookings from our friends, from our family members, and yeah, it was like, let's suppose 800 की हमारे पास बुकिंग आई है जिसमें हमने 500 स्पेंड किया, तो बाकी 300 रुपए का हम पिज़्ज़ा खा लेते थे. It used to be like this in the initial days, and for that same thing we used to charge 800 rupees, and now we are selling it like at a decent amount of, let's say, 2,500, 3,000 rupees, and delivering a very good quality also. But yeah, initially you have to be very humble very humble with the price.
Starting phase is very male,
delicate.
Exactly, delicate.
Yeah, fragile.
To maintain that thing. वहीं starting में people lose that patience कि नहीं, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. और ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ था.
How long a person should wait if I'm starting this today?
I give at least a year for sure. Year तो I guess मैं कम ही बोल रही हूँ. 1 year 2 years तो for sure. मैं 1.5 years में मेरा थोड़ा सा वो हो गया था कि how orders are not coming, what is happening, क्या हो गया.
Okay, 1 year 2 year for sure. And during this 2 year thing, I should be persistent with my product. I should be consistently posting it on Instagram and across all channels. I should be coming up with creative products, new products. And what else?
Keep practicing what you're doing. सपोज इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ कोस्टर ओनली ना, आप उसको बनाते जाओ
Okay.
हर शेप्स में, हर कलर्स में, कीप मेकिंग इट. मतलब डोंट लूज दैट थिंग कि ऑर्डर्स नहीं आ रहे ना तो आप वो बना नहीं रहे हो.
Have that scientist feeling in yourself that you want to
Keep
discover
exploring,
something new.
हाँ, exactly.
Keep exploring.
And with one product actually you can explore many things ना. आप किसी भी चीज़ को लाके कर दो और उसमें मोल्ड डाल दो and then you make a product out of it. वो
Right.
चीज़ है.
Oh. So next we have rapid fire round. Favorite festive season?
Season दिवाली.
Go to gift idea for friends.
3D miniature frames.
One handmade item you can't live without.
I can't live without again 3D miniature frames. I love them.
Oh, I think I'll have to order something
Yes,
today.
you should.
All right. So, what advice would you want to give to someone who's starting his or her new business today? Just one single advice.
One single advice.
Yeah.
Be creative.
Okay.
Yes.
Where can our audience connect with you or maybe place orders with you if they want to?
You can follow my page on Instagram by the name of Handmade Gallery 2016.
I am going to place a 3D miniature order today only.
Definitely.
And the final message that you would want to convey to our audience, youngsters who want to be great, who want to like become great entrepreneurs in future, who want to get into a business like this, or maybe if not gifting, then something else, but a creative field. So what message would you?
So basically, whatever creative field you want to enter in, just keep one thing in mind कि वही करना जो आप actually जिसके लिए passionate हो, which actually comes from within. अगर if you're not passionate तो आप you'll lose that interest during that phase ना, आप interest lose करने लगोगे. So keep that passion, keep that fire कि कुछ भी हो जाए रात को एकदम मतलब क्लाइंट का मैसेज आ जाए, यू आर एक्चुअली गेटिंग अप एंड यू रिप्लाइंग टू देम, वैसा जोश होना चाहिए. आई नो टाइम इज़ अ लिमिट कि 11 बजता है, नहीं इट्स माई टाइम, बट फॉर मी ड्यूरिंग द स्टार्टिंग फेज दैट वाज नॉट द थिंग. अगर मेरे पास 11:30 भी मैसेज आ जाता था क्लाइंट का, आई यूज टू एक्चुअली पिक अप एंड बी वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट कि ऑर्डर आया है. सो दैट एक्साइटमेंट शुड ऑलवेज बी देयर.
Yeah. That spark is very important actually.
Yes.
If you own this business, that you own the entire responsibility
Yes,
of it.
definitely.
If there is a customer out there who is looking for your services,
Yes.
then definitely do not lose it.
Do not.
All right. Thank you very much, Sunanda, for coming and taking out time
My
for this
pleasure.
podcast.
It was nice meeting you and thank you for inviting me.
Pleasure is all ours. Thank you so much for watching and giving your valuable time to our podcast. I hope we have given you some valuable insights that how you can start your business and how you can grow your existing business. If you have any questions, any doubts or any recommendations, please put that in the comment box below, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. The podcast where we talk. भूल गया. कट कर दिया. रोलिंग है. ठीक है. The pod. कट कर दो इसको, शुरू से दोबारा करते हैं.